Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming back to you today with another haul from Tarins Sticker Shop. Yeah, as you can see, I have a problem. So, let's get started. I don't even know which one is in order, so I'm just gonna go at it. I don't think it really matters when I got it. I mean, I got it within the last couple weeks, or at least in a month or so. So, got my little handy dandy notes here. Okay, so let's see here. As always, you get this "you is kind, you is smart, you is important" from the help. I love these. I keep these, and then I also sometimes I will write a little note on the back and send it to a friend or whatever. So the first thing that I got here is the heart checklist, and these are the hollow. As you can see, aren't those beautiful? I am totally into foil right now, guys, so bear with me. I thought those were beautiful. Then here are the half boxes in the hollow, the quarter boxes in the hollow, these are the bow quarter boxes in the hollow, the bow half boxes in the hollow, and then I ordered the iced coffees, because everybody knows I like my iced coffees, functionals. Then I got the heart checklist, the rainbow heart checklists, and there are like 36 of them, so that was awesome deal. And then I got the matching heart full box checklists to go with them. And a lot of times I like to use these in my B6 as well, or if there's a kit that just didn't come with enough check boxes for me. All right, so that is the first order. Let's see the second order, and you get the card again. And this was probably, this looks like it was during the TPC sale. This was the freebie. Life is better at the beach. And the next one was 8/9 through 8/13, so that's already happened. So, alright, these are the icy blue glitter headers. That's pretty. Look at that. It's beautiful. More of the half boxes, and these are also in the icy blue. I'm trying to see if I can get the blue in there just right. I almost had it. So you can see a little bit of the blue right there. And then the quarter boxes in the icy blue. I wish my camera was picking it up just a little bit better. It is so hard to there we go. There's the blue. To film foil. And then the icy blue heart check boxes. See if I can get it. There they go. There it is. Okay, and then these go with this. This was the foiled Fall in Love. And here is the full boxes. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I love these. These are the full check heart boxes, and they're foiled as well. And also your sidebar are your Monday through Sundays. Your headers in little things in flag appointment boxes. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, washi strips, and flags. Your foiled heart check flags, half boxes, quarter boxes, functionals, day covers. Love those day covers. Very cute. And then your bottom washi, your weekend banner, your day covers, and then scripts like laundry day, trash day, sleep in, payday, me time, date night, Friday. Love that. And then your glitter headers that go with it. Very pretty. I love that. And that again was called Fall in Love. Okay, the next one, okay, is the card again. And then I got the gold shopping cart on the computer screen. I love that. I think that's so stinking cute. Work header or work boxes in gold. Sleep in. I want to say this is rose gold though. Let me make sure. Yes. These are rose gold. And then silver. And then the computer, again, the laptop with the in silver to go with the gold. And then the silver work. The colorful quarter boxes. And then the colorful half boxes to match. Okay, that is that one. And then last but certainly not least, okay, I got the glitter spray bottles for functionals. Thought those were cute. The foiled date dots in, I want to say this is in the green. This is emerald green. There we go. And then in the icy blue, if I can, come on, catch it just right. And then I got the today headers in rainbow. More of the gold shopping carts. And then these were the Planner Collaborative freebies. Again, the next sale was August 9th, but this was from Tarins Sticker Company. Playing with Pizzazz. Perfect Prince Co. So Cute Planner, which is another company I PR for. Beyond Paper Flower. Craft Penguin Planner. Tarins Sticker Shop. And then again, so evidently I ordered twice during that one. So that is what I got in all of these. You will need to go check her out. She has phenomenal stuff, guys. You will love everything. That's why you see me shop with her all the time. She has beautiful, beautiful foil, beautiful kits. Please go check her out. You will not be disappointed, okay? I know you'll love everything. Okay, guys. Hope to see you back here real soon. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And go check her out. Let her know in a little note that I might have sent you. And I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.